வணக்கம் நேர்களே. போன செஷன்ல லிசனிங்னா என்ன, வாட் கைண்ட் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின், என்ன மாதிரி 4 டைப்ஸ் ஆஃப் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தோம். ரியல் டெஸ்ட்டுக்குள்ள போவோம். நம்ம டெஸ்ட்டை போகணும்னா நம்ம வாதியாரை கூப்பிடணும்ல. லெட்ஸ் வெல்கம் வேதா.
So in the last session we saw what is listening and what are the different types of question we can expect and how exactly you have to take listening test அப்படிங்கறத பார்த்திருந்தோம். Today we are going to have a practice towards it. Before jumping into the practice, or listening test எடுக்கிறப்போ அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு we have few instruction. So I'm going to tell you that when you are listening to the audios, the control will not be with you இந்த இடத்துல. ரிமோட் கண்ட்ரோல் வச்சுட்டு நமக்கு வேண்டிய இடத்துல பாஸ் பண்ணி ப்ளே பண்ணிக்கிற ஆப்ஷன் நமக்கு இங்கே இருக்காது. பிகாஸ் த ஆடியோ இட் இஸ் கோன் பி பிளேட் பை தி கண்ட்ரோலர்ஸ். எல்லா ஆடியோஸுமே உங்களுக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி கேட்குற சான்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ ஆல் தி ஆடியோஸ் இட் வில் பி பிளேட் ஓன்லி ஒன்ஸ். அண்ட் அந்த ஒரு வாட்டி கேட்குறத வச்சு யூ ஹாவ் டு ஆன்சர் ஆல் தி 40 questions. ஒரு ஆடியோமே நீங்கள் கேட்குறத வச்சு யூ ஹாவ் டு ஆன்சர் இட்ஸ் பர்டிகுலர் questions. ஓகே, ஆஃப்டர் லிசனிங் எவ்ரி ஆடியோ you will have a particular time to check through the answers. In between உங்களுக்கு audios கேட்கிறப்போ there will be breaks. இப்போ for example 10 questions இருக்கு அப்படி சொன்னா the audio will be split into 2. Might be for the first 5 questions you will listen a particular conversation and அதுக்கப்புறமா ஒரு கொஞ்சம் break இருக்கும் to have look at the questions to screen them. So then again உங்களுக்கு audio resume ஆகும். So this is how the audios will be played and strictly the audios will not be played to you. Okay. And at the end of the 4th audio, உங்களுக்கு முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா you will have 10 minutes of time to transfer your answers to the answer sheet. So அது வரைக்குமே உங்களுக்கு answers doubtful-ஆ இருக்கு, you are not so sure about it அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you can make a note of it on the rough paper and during the last 10 minutes you can transfer it to it. Okay. And one more important thing that I want to instruct you is every set of 10 questions or 5 questions உங்களுக்கு breaks இருக்கு audiosல அப்படின்னு சொன்னா there is a switch of question pattern அப்படின்றத நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். And every question switches இருக்கிறப்போ it will have its own instruction. For example, if you look at here, இங்க first உங்களுக்கு instruction கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. Okay, what type of question that is அப்படின்றது உங்களுக்கு இருக்கும். Complete the notes below, which is an example of summary completion இங்க இருக்குன்னு அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, and கீழே உங்களுக்கு அந்த set of questions எப்படி நீங்க ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்ற ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட் உங்களுக்கு தெளிவா உங்க question பேப்பர்லயே இருக்கும். If you read this, write no more than 3 words and or a number for each answer னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So you have to construct your answer accordingly. So ஒரு questionக்கு to the maximum நீங்க 3 வார்த்தை எழுதலாம். And that could be all 3 as words or it could be a mix of word and a number. உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சர் எப்படி ரெக்குவயர்மெண்ட் வருதோ அதுக்கு ஏற்ற மாதிரி கன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் இட் ஷுட் பி enclosed within 3 words அப்படின்றது தான் அந்த இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன். ஓகே, உங்க IELTS எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ல your instruction also plays a major role because when they do the scoring இந்த instruction படி உங்களோட ஆன்சர் இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னா even if you end up giving the right answer it will not get evaluated. Okay, so keep a close observation towards the instruction before you jump into answering it. So அதனால தான் இந்த பாயிண்ட் ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணி சொல்றது. So alongside with this instructions நீங்க ஆடியோ கேட்குறப்ப இன்னும் என்னெல்லாம் பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னா before you hear the audio you will have some time to screen the questions. So அப்போ நீங்க questions-அ தெளிவா பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you can understand what possibly could be the answer. For example, இங்க second question உங்களுக்கு student is studying அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. அப்போ whatever that student studies அந்த கோர்ஸ் நீங்க தான் உங்களுக்கு ஆன்சரா இருக்க போகுது. ஓகே, ஸோ analyzing the question is also important before you hear out the audio. அப்போதான் உங்களுக்கு ஆடியோ கேட்டு அதுல இருந்து கீ நோட்ஸ் எடுக்க முடியும். ஓகே, the important key notes that you can possibly make is names ஏதாச்சும் சொல்றாங்கன்னா make a note of it, numbers, telephone numbers, addresses or key concepts, rules, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் ஏதாச்சும் சொல்றாங்களா make a important note of it because everything could possibly be your answer. Now let me play the audio here to which.
Now turn to section 1. You will hear a conversation between a student and a job advisor. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5.
If you listen here, எங்க நமக்கு ஆடியோ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி அந்த ஆடியோ எதை பத்தி இருக்க போகுது அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. So in front of, before you hear the audios, you will have an introduction towards it. அது உங்களுக்கு மோனோலாகா இருக்க போதா or கான்வர்சேஷனா இருக்க போதா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு Now this audio, it is going to be a conversation between a student and a job professor அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Okay, which is going to be a general conversation between a student and a person who is called as job counselor. Okay, so based on their conversation, your questions are listed here and you have to answer them. And again, they have also instructed you, you are going to have some time to look at questions from 1 to 5. Upon the particular time, if you look at only questions from 1 to 5, it is going to be easier for you to guess the answers and உங்களுக்கு ஒரு deeper analysis கொடுக்க easier இருக்கும். Instead of screening the entire questions and the particular time span, if you look at those particular questions, it is going to help you a lot. To the maximum, everyone will get 60 seconds to understand the questions alone. So between each audios, when they tell, you will get some time to figure out the question. Now the first question we are going to see is an example how your answers are figured out. If you look at this audio, two people are talking. One, it is going to be a student and the other one is a person at the job center. Okay, so this is a conversation between them, and in the first two dialogues there are two possible questions. There was a room number and she had a particular requirement. Okay, idla edhu vena nama question ah iruklam, but the question we got here is, we are looking at the example. The question we got here is type of job required. So avanga rendu conversations pesnaanga, I mean rendu dialogues pesnaanga. Adla they have mentioned a room number which is going to be 26. ஒருவேளை அதுவும் உங்களுக்கு கொஸ்டினா வந்திருக்கலாம், but here we got the job requirement as the question. அவங்க என்ன job கேட்டாங்க, what job she is seeking is the question. Okay, and she said she is looking out for a part-time job. So that is going to be your answer, and that is written as the answer here. So similarly, avanga conversation la the vocabularies they use, the words they attain, and the details they give you is going to be your questions and answers. All the audios are provided to you in a link. First, listen to the audio 1, which means section 1's audio, and get back here. We'll discuss the question and answers together.
Section 1. You will hear a conversation between a student and a job advisor. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. You will see that there is an example that has been done for you. On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Is this, room number 26?
Yes, that's right.
So, is this the student job centre?
It certainly is. How can I help you?
Well, actually, I'm looking for a job, a part-time job. Do you have anything available at the moment?
The student is looking for a part-time job, so part-time has been written in the space. Now we shall begin. You should answer the questions as you listen, because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning. Is this, room number 26?
Yes, that's right.
So, is this the student job centre?
It certainly is. How can I help you?
Well, actually, I'm looking for a job, a part-time job. Do you have anything available at the moment?
Yes. Are you a registered student? I'm afraid this service is only available to full-time students.
Yes, I am. I'm doing a degree in business studies. Here's my student card.
Which year are you in?
Well, I've been at uni for 4 years, but I'm in the 3rd year because I took last year off.
Right. Well, let's just have a look at what positions are available at the moment. There's a job working at the reception desk at the sports centre for 3 evenings a week. That's Wednesdays, Thursdays and Fridays.
Oh, that sounds like fun, but unfortunately I have evening lectures, so that's not possible, I'm afraid. Is there anything during the day?
Okay, that's no good then. What about cleaning? There's a position for a cleaner at the childcare centre.
Right.
But you'd need to be there at 6 a.m. Does that appeal?
6 o'clock in the morning? Oh, that's far too early for me, I'm afraid. I'd never make it that early in the morning.
Well, there was a position going in the computer lab for 3 days a week that might be okay. Ah, here it is. No, it's in the library, not the lab. Clerical assistant required. I think it mostly involves putting the books back on the shelves. Oh no, hang on. It's for Wednesday and Friday evenings again.
No, I can't manage that because of the lectures.
Okay, I'm getting the idea. Look, I'll just get a few details from you anyway, and then we can check through the list and see what comes up.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
We'll fill in the personal details on this application form first, if that's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Now, what's your name again?
Anita Newman. That's Newman.
And your address, Anita?
I'm in one of the halls of residence for postgraduate students. You know, International House.
Okay, that's easy. What's your room number there?
Room B569. No, sorry, B659. I always get that wrong. I haven't been living there very long.
Do you have any other skills? Typing, languages, that sort of thing?
Well, I speak some Japanese.
Right, I'll make a note of that. Now, let's see what else is available. What do you think of administrative work? There's a position for an office assistant at the English Language Centre.
That sounds interesting.
It's for 3 days a week, Monday, Friday and Saturday mornings. Interested?
Oh, I was hoping to have Saturdays free, but I need the work, so... Can you tell me what the job involves?
Yeah, sure. It says here that you'll be required to deal with student inquiries and answer the phone.
Oh, I'm sure I can handle all that without a problem.
Great. Well, would you like me to arrange an interview for you? Say Friday morning around 10?
Oh, can we make it a bit later? Unfortunately, I've got something to do at 10. Would that be okay?
Not a problem. How about 11:30? Hope it works out for you, Anita.
Me too. And thanks for all your help.
That is the end of section 1.
Hope you heard the audio. So now let us discuss the section 1's answers alone. Okay. Now the first question is, student is studying. So நீங்க conversation கேட்டிருக்கிறப்போ the dialogues that the student has spoken அதுல இருந்து உங்களுக்கு இந்த answers எல்லாம் கிடைச்சிருக்கும். Okay. Student is studying. The student might have introduced herself in the audio. So அவங்க introduce பண்ணிக்கிறப்போ what department she belongs to அப்படின்னு சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, and that department is going to be the answer here, and she belongs to business. She told she is studying business in that audio, and on the business நமக்கு இங்க ஆன்சரா வரும். Okay, if you look at here instruction நமக்கு no more than 3 words னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So you can limit your answer from 1 word to 3 words anywhere. Okay, ஒருவேளை உங்களுக்கு answers numbers ஆ வருது அப்படினு சொன்னா it could be a combination of number and word together, or it could be number alone also. Answer ஓட requirement, question ஓட requirement பொறுத்து the answering pattern it will different. Okay, the first answer it is going to be business for the first question. Second question, student is in the underline year of the course. அவங்க எந்த இயர்ல இருக்காங்க அப்படின்றதா எங்க கேள்வி. Your next 3 to 5 question, complete the table below அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. And here for these questions you got instruction as write no more than 2 words for each answer. So strictly the answer it should be of 1 word or a combination of 2 words. Numbers are not allowed here அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, this is also a summary completion, but ஒரு tabulationல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Everything it is going to be an FIB pattern. So our third question is receptionist and where the job அப்படின்றதுல நமக்கு கேள்வி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So where the receptionist role is available அப்படின்னு சொன்னா at the sports center. So sports center is going to be your answer. Your fourth question, receptionist where it is available உங்களோட question இருக்கு. In the underline எங்க job available இருந்துச்சு, business center is the right answer. And your fourth question, so where and problem ஓட detail நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, the position நம்ம ஆன்சரா எழுதணும் இங்க. In the child care center too early. So the second job option that has been presented to her is the cleaner job. Okay, and fifth one, so cleaner, that position is going to be your answer. So the fifth question is clerical assistant அப்படின்ற position where it is available உங்களுக்கு question கேட்டிருக்காங்க. The underline is in where. So where that position is available அப்படிங்கிறது தான் நம்மளோட ஆன்சரா இருக்கணும். The clerical assistant job is available at the library for evening lectures. Okay, so library is going to be the answer. This is how you will figure out the answers out from the conversation. எல்லா questions-க்குமே இப்படி தான் உங்களோட ஆன்சர் நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கும். Now let us discuss the answers for 6 to 10. Here the instruction given is write no more than 3 words and or a number for each answer. So minimum 1 word and the maximum limit for your answer is 3 words. It could be a combination of word and number, or it could be words alone, or it could be numbers alone. அப்படின்றத இந்த instruction உங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கிற detail. The 6th question is the address of Anita நம்ம discuss பண்ண போறோம். The address of Anita அங்க discuss பண்ணதுல இருந்து what we came to know அப்படின்னு சொன்னா International House. She stays at International House. So 6th question, it is going to be International House is the right answer. And her room number B659 அப்படின்னு நமக்கு சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. So that particular room number இங்க fill பண்ணோம்னா that will be your right answer. B659 is the right answer for question number 7. And question number 8, position available. So it is a job option. என்ன position அப்படின்றதுல நமக்கு underline கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Okay, the position is office assistant. And office assistant னு எழுதலாம் நீங்க, இல்ல simply office assistant னு எழுதலாம். Both are is going to be the right answers. Your 9th question, duties. What are the responsibilities of that job அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. It has 2 responsibilities. ஒன்னு இவங்க மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, other one is going to be your answer. Respond to enquiries and answer the phone. It is the another responsibility of that particular position, and that is going to be your answer. Answer the phone. Your 10th question, time of the interview. At what time her interview is scheduled? Friday day நமக்கு கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. So நம்ம டைமை மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். It is 11:30 AM. So 11:30 AM will be your answer. Okay. When you answer the IELTS question, நீங்க இன்னொரு முக்கியமான விஷயம் நோட் பண்ணணும் இங்க. Okay. I told you you have to construct your answers according to the details. Basically IELTS examinationல into your listening and reading parameters, if you are answering to the questions அப்படின்னு சொன்னா you have to follow all these writing principles also. So writing principles la the punctuations is not looked here, but instead in the noun words ku நம்ம names and the places idella எழுதுறப்ப மட்டும் we have to ensure the writing rule where starting alphabet capital alphabet ஆ இருக்கணும். Okay, so you have to look after that. And the rule படி இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொன்னா even if you give the right answer, it will not be evaluated. You will not get any score for that particular answer.
ஸோ நீங்க ஆடியோவை கேட்டிருப்பீங்க, 10 கொஸ்டினையும் ஒழுங்கா ஆன்சர் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. சொன்ன பேச்சை கேள்றா உருப்புடுறேன் நான் சொல்லல, வேதா சொல்லிட்டு போயிருக்காங்க. எல்லாரும் வேதா சொல்றதை கேட்போம். சொன்னதை கேட்டோம்னா 9 out of 9ல லிசனிங் வாங்குறது ஈஸி. இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் பாத்தீங்க. இது மாதிரி 3 more exercises is going to come. Do all the exercise meticulously. ஒழுங்கா பண்ணீங்கன்னா இதுல 100 out of 100 9 out of வாங்குறது பெரிய கம்பு சூத்திரம்லாம் இல்லை, நீங்களும் வாங்கலாம்.